Let's cook crispy cassava steaks with Kpakpo Shito mango sauce and chicken meatballs. Start prepping by cutting yellow bell peppers, mangoes, yellow onion, cassava, ginger, garlic, habaneros, and chicken breast. Boil the cassava and add salt to taste. In the food processor, add the chicken, ginger, cut habaneros, garlic, parsley, onion, and cheddar cheese. Blend and transfer mixture into a bowl and add salt, chicken spices, and mixed herbs. Mix well and add some flour to help you smoothly knead into small balls. Put balls onto a tray and spray with avocado oil and put into an air fryer. Now put cooked cassava into a bowl and mash with a fork. Add butter and egg and mix further till soft and smooth. Pour mixture into a Ziploc and create a hole to help you squeeze out the mixture. Heat up oil and squeeze in the cassava mixture to fry. For the sauce, heat some oil in a pan, add onions, habaneros, and bell peppers and let it fry. Add the mangoes and a little water. Add salt to taste and some white vinegar and cook for about 30 minutes. Now use an immersion blender and blend till you get a smooth consistency. Pour the sauce into a squeeze bottle. Now serve and enjoy. The rough.